What is up, guys? Welcome back to Fatbelly Fishing. I'm your host, Logan. As always, I am fishing with Salty Fins again today. We are going to be going for some saltwater trout. I'm going to be showing you guys how to catch them just off the shore. I'm going to show you what we're using, how we're using it, and how to be efficient with this. And you bet your butt we're going to show you some trout.
That's right. Let's get on them.
So all I'm doing today is taking this paddle tail on this jig head. I'm basically casting it out. I'm popping it off the bottom like that. Just giving it a subtle jerk. So I got a stingray right here. So cast it out, let it sink to the bottom, and then pop, pop, pop. Do intervals of like 1, 1, 2. Just popping it off. That bait's just bouncing off the bottom like a little frantic bait fish or maybe a shrimp. Oh, I just got whacked just like that. If you guys were wondering how to work this in, exactly like that. Basically just do that and you should munch it like that. Look at his tail, that's pretty cool. A little split, it's like he's pointing. Boom. For you folks at home, I was not planning that at all. I was just trying to cast it out there to show you guys. But at least you know now that technique works. Scared the crap out of me. You just can't make this kind of stuff up. Another fish. Oh, this is a decent fish, whatever it is. He's running towards me. Oh, big trout, big trout. Oh, come on, baby. Dude, he's playing every trick in the book right now. He wants to get away. That's a big trout. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, come on. Don't you come off. Don't you come off. Be a good girl. Oh, yeah. Got it in his eye there. So you can see. Loving it. Oh, my finger is caught in his gill plate. This hurts a lot right now. Look at that fish, guys. That is what I am here for, ladies and gents. That trout was epic. I didn't even think he was that big because when I hooked him, he did not run very fast or very far. He just kind of swam right at me, which is a lot of what bigger fish will do. Just to show you guys the jig head that I use. These are the mission lure jig heads. I show you guys this about every video, but it's I think it's 1/8 or a 1/4 ounce. Really has some cool design to it, so I like it, and it holds the bait really well with these little impact things here. He's got him. He's hooked up. The fight of his life. He was born for this. He said the trout ski. Nice fish, buddy. Look at all these spots. It's crazy.
He's got one fang.
Yeah, the last couple I caught had one fang. It was weird. He's sticking his hand in there. You got some nerves.
Ow. Ow.
Ow.
Not doing that again. Let me get my pliers. Can you hold that for me, Logan? Let's get a release on this little guy.
Bye, little man.
See ya.
There we go. Get him. Yep.
Oh, dude,
that's a freaking tank. Look at this tank. Oh my lord. It's almost as big as your big one the last time.
Yeah, man. God, bro.
Dude, do you think he wanted it? You gotta check up with the dentist here. Holy.
Come on, buddy. I'll let you go.
Oh, look how big this fish is. That's crazy. Nice fish, buddy.
Looks like a...
Oh, that's a good fish. Decent trout, decent trout. It's not as big, but he's a solid trout. Oh, come on, buddy. Be good, be good. Come on, behave. Baby, look at that trout. Very healthy. That'd definitely be a slot trout if season was open right now. Bye. He didn't seem like he wanted to stay around and chat, I guess. There it is. There it is. Get him. Get him, Weston. I know I'm like a mile away, guys. Bear with me. We're gonna get to his fish here. He's got a good one. He's got a good one. Were you bouncing like real slow?
Is it a ray? That's a fish.
That's a real slow. That's either a ray or a shark. We're just gonna assume that was a stingray. We have no idea, and we didn't feel like standing around forever, so he just broke them off.
It had to have been.
That'd have been a giant stingray, though.
Yeah, that wasn't no dang stingray. I pulled up dang.
Somebody's